Mind mapping is a fantastic technique for organizing your thoughts and making connections between different ideas. Start by placing a main topic in the center of the page and branch out with related subtopics. Use colors, images, and keywords to make it visually engaging. It's a creative and effective way to study and retain information. To make a mind map, start by choosing a central topic or idea and write it in the center of a blank page. Then think of related subtopic or key points and draw branches radiating out from the central topic. Write each subtopic on a branch and connect them to the central topic. You can further expand each subtopic with more branches and add keywords or images to represent ideas. It's visual and creative way to organize your thoughts and make connections between different concepts. Give it a try and have fun mind mapping. The main use of mind mapping is to visually organize and connect ideas, making it easier to understand and remember information. It's a versatile tool that can be used for brainstorming, planning, problem solving, note taking, and studying. By using colors, images, and keywords, mind maps help stimulate creativity, improve comprehension, and enhance overall learning experiences. Give it a try and see how it can benefit your learning process. Mind mapping has several key characteristics that make it an effective tool for organizing and visualizing information. Central topic. Mind maps start with a central topic or idea placed in the center of the page. This serves as a focal point of branching out to related subtopics. Branches. Mind maps use branches to connect the central topic to subtopics. These branches represent the relationships and connections between different ideas. Keywords and images. Mind maps utilize keywords and images to represent ideas and concepts. This visual approach helps to enhance memory retention and stimulate creativity. Non-linear structure. Mind maps have a non-linear structure, allowing for flexibility and the ability to capture ideas as they come. This makes them great for brainstorming and organizing thoughts. Colors and visual elements. Mind maps often incorporate colors, icons, and other visual elements to make them visually appealing and engaging. This helps to create a more memorable and enjoyable learning experience. Remember, these are just a few characteristics of mind mapping. You can customize your mind maps to suit your own preferences and needs. Happy mind mapping! Mind mapping is important for several reasons. It helps with organizing and connecting ideas, enhancing memory retention, fostering creativity, and improving comprehension. By usually representing information, mind maps make it easier to understand complex concepts and see relationships between different ideas. They also promote active engagement and participation in the learning process. Thank you. Bye-bye.